ஆமாம். Yes, first warm up. Neck stretches. Deltoid. You have to hold for 20 seconds. Forearm stretches. Same downwards. Chest stretch. Yes. Push your body front. That's it. Calf stretch. Bicep stretch. Yes. Rotate your body to the opposite side. Yes. Tricep stretch. Yes. Piriformis stretch. Relax your abdomen. Okay. Heel sitting exercise. This is for tibialis anterior stretch. Glute stretch. Okay. Piriformis stretch. Inner thigh stretches. It is medial stretch. Cobra stretch. To stretch your abdominal muscles, you have to hold for 20 seconds. This is quadricep stretch. Okay. Hold it for 20 seconds. Pelvic bridging. Slowly lift the hip up, slowly down. 20 reps. While lifting up, you have to breathe out. Then down. Very good. Cycle abs. In this, the oblique also will work. Do it 20 repetitions. Yes. Correct abs. Okay. Along with the body, you should lift it. While coming up, breathe out. Breathe out through mouth. Very good. Very good. Very good. This is toe touch for your abdominal muscles. While getting up, breathe out. Yes. Look at the ceiling. Now do Superman exercise. Both hands, both the legs up and down. While lifting up, breathe out. Then breathe in. Again breathe out. Yes. Cat camel. This is to mobilize the whole spinal cord. Yes. Toe touch. Very good. Normal push-ups. Very good. Look down, look down, look down, facing down. Yes. Keep the spine straight. Tuck in your abdomen. Very good. Very good. It's like mountain climbing. Yes. Look down, look down. Don't strain your neck. Very good. Head facing down. Tuck in your abdomen. Toe to heel. Yes. Yes. Push-ups position to plank position. Yes. Very good. That's it. Very good. Come back. Again do it. Lift it up. Yes. Up. Up. Okay. This is spinal strengthening. Alternate limb rise. Very good. Very good. Both knees rise. Squat with kick. Yes. Calf rise. Slowly get down. Now lunges. Very good. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Very good. Very good. Crisscross. Yes. Jumping jacks. Very good. Slowly you do. Very good. Okay. Now burpees. Slowly go. Okay. Don't strain too much. Both legs front, back, then slowly get up. That's it. Very good. Lunge matrix. Push it up. Push the dumbbell up. Yes. Lunges with shoulder press. Backwards. Now do it with left leg. Yes. Straight. And take it to the left side. Yes. Yes. Left side. Then left side back. Very good. Yes. Press and do it. Okay. This is to relax your plantar fascia. This will relieve the heel pain issues. Slowly, slowly do it. Very good. Press and do it. Very good. Very good. This foam roller is to release the tightened muscle fibers, trigger release and all. All back. Doing foam roller rolling for all back. Slowly do it. This is to release the calf trigger muscles. Yes. This is for hamstring release. Uh, This is for IT band release. Very good. This is for quadriceps muscle tightness. This will release the triggered muscles. Very good. After doing all the exercise, you have to do cool down exercise. Very good.